Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This morning, we want to talk about corporate finance mind mapping from me, Jimmy Samantha Simatupang, MBA class September 2022, IPMI International Business School. Our lecturer, Professor Roy Semble, faculty member at IPMI International Business School. Corporate Finance Part 1. We are talking about financial management, good governance, cornerstone of corporate finance, time value of money, and the last assignment or examination review. Financial management, we are talking about orchestration, financial resource, value creation, and the second, good governance, we are talking about transparency, accountability, responsibility, independency, and fairness. The third cornerstone of corporate finance, we are talking about core of value principle, conservation of value principle, expectation treadmill principle, and the last best owner principle. Time value of money, we are talking about the formulation about calculation present value of and future value. And we are talking about rule of 72, and we are talking about how to double up our investment. And the part of 5 assignment examination review, we have individual assignment, group assignment, and the last final examination. Corporate finance part 2, we are talking about capital budgeting and the investment fraud. Investment fraud, we are talking about to check the company, owner, contract, legality, product, transaction mechanism, and the logic of the investment is too good to be true. And the second, capital budgeting, we are talking about how to calculate, accept, and reject project based on the ratio of investment. We are talking about payback period, net present value, and profitability index. And the last, we are talking about IRR, internal rate return. And we have the formulation for the IRR as well. And corporate finance, we are talking about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, financial statement analysis. And part 1, fundamental analysis, we are talking about domestic and global economic analysis, industry analysis, company analysis, intrinsic value, and fundamental indicator. And the second, technical analysis, we are talking about momentum and versus reversal. Trend consists of up and down, support and resistance, gap, triangle, double bottom and top, and the last, moving average. And the part 3, financial statement analysis, we are talking about profitability consists of ROA and ROE, return on asset and return on equity. And we are talking about liquidity, current ratio, and quick ratio. And activity, TAT, FTAT, means that asset turnover, and fixed asset total turnover. Leverage consists of DAR and DER, debt asset ratio, and debt to equity ratio. We are talking about market ratio as well. It consists of dividend and TER. Natural level or current ratio bigger than 1. And we are talking about quality of number, current ratio equal, and quick ratio. Historical trend, industrial benchmark, and the last, decomposition or DuPont analysis. Corporate finance 4, we are talking about portfolio theory, and the second, capital structure. portfolio theory, we are talking about potential and actual required return, ex ante and ex post measurement, return versus risk, total and systematic and unsystematic risk, correlation and diversification, efficient frontier portfolio, and CAPM, capital asset price model. And we have equation for the CAPM as well. The second part, capital structure, we are talking about long-term source of fund, debt and free fair, shareholder equity, Modigliani and Miller theory, integration of tax effect, financial distress cost, and the last factor. Corporate finance part 5, we are talking about corporate structure divided by financial distress, restructuring, surviving, and transforming business. Corporate structuring, we have a case RGR Nabisco or LBO, leveraged buyout case study, and financial distress consists of yearly impairment, deterioration of performance, cash flow problem, failure, default, insolvency, bankruptcy. And restructuring, we are talking about capital structure, working capital management, asset structure, revenue management, cost management, risk management, growth management, and the last, cash flow management. And how to surviving and transforming business, we are talking about stop the bleeding, financial restructuring, temporary pivoting, strategic realigning, redefining core business, new ways of doing business. And the last, corporate finance, we are learning about fraud risk management. We are talking about fraud triangle, fraud reason, fraud prevention, incentive corruption, asset misappropriation, fraudulent statement. Fraud triangle, we are talking about perceived pressure, perceived opportunity, rationalization. Fraud reason, we are talking about huge personal debt or losses, lifestyle beyond income, and the last, over speculation. Fraud prevention, we are talking about whistleblower, SOP, employee ethic. And incentive, we are talking about physical, monetary, social, and moral. Corruption, we are talking about conflict of interest, bribery, illegal gratitude, economic extortion. Asset misappropriation consists of cash and inventory and all assets. Fraudulent statement, we are talking about financial or non-financial. And the last, dividend policy, we have a dividend debate for the learning. That's all. We are talking about corporate finance mind mapping and lesson learned. I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. I do and I understand from Confucius. And the last, our corporate finance. Thank you for the learning from me, Jimmy Samantha Simatupang, class MBA September 2022, and IPMI International Business School. Thank you for watching.